Okay, everybody, this is a EDC update and a shout out to usnerdoc. I won one of the bonus prizes from uh, his uh, con- Actually, it was a giveaway to some commenters, uh, and I won one of the little key fob lights from Unclecow. I would have done an unboxing, but my parents were curious and they wanted to see what it was. Uh, Word of warning, not saying you have to, but if you ever want to send me something, that will probably happen. So if you want an unboxing, you have to let me know and I can work that out. But won this from usnerdoc. Uh, thanks, thanks, Doc. If you see this, this will probably go in my backpack or Mama Cow's keychain. So, probably the latter, too, to be quite honest. Uh, Other than that, my wallet system hasn't changed. Of course, you guys know about my new defensive option. I got the karambit, and it can also be an impact karambit, which is kind of cool. Uh, in addition, a new add-on to my work kit. Of course, I got the Paracara as a defensive tool in that kit. Also upgraded some of the Velcro. For those of you who don't know, there is a soft piece of Velcro on my right armrest panel in the inside to where a fixed blade knife sheath would go, but don't have that with me all the time. I never actually carry that, so I got one of these VanQuest pocket organizers and put a bunch of Velcro on it so it sticks to my side. So when I'm at the dojang, okay, I have a flashlight, some cordage, a defensive tool, because these days you never know. I'm working on getting some sort of push dagger that would fit in this, but funds are kind of low now. Had some medical bills I had to take care of. But with my birthday money, I got a multi-tool that would fit in that pocket organizer. I've been wanting to add some full-size pliers, so I got the Solid Twitch, okay, full-size pliers, usual multi-tool fare. On the other tools, knife, screwdriver, all can opener, bottle opener. So, and that fits in that pocket organizer. Whoop! The camera went wonky again. But yeah, so far so good. We'll see. So, Solid Twitch or Solid Switch, really? The Twitch is a knife. This is the switch. And yes, I checked, perfectly legal. They're pliers. It's not a knife. So that's the EDC update, and shout out to US and the RDoc. Hope you all enjoyed. Stay tuned. Once I feel a little bit better, just a little bit under the weather, and yeah, my stomach is bothering me lately. It's a miracle I was able to do this video. So, let me know what you think, guys. Keep send those requests and all that good stuff, comments. Ask all the questions you want. You know, what'd you like to be disabled? Blah, blah, blah. How do you do this? How do you... Feel free to ask those questions. Because I'd rather answer those questions than put up with people that said, hey, you shouldn't do that. You might cut yourself, or, silly things like that. So, ask those questions. It cuts down on the unwiseness, if you will. So, yeah, that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and don't do anything I wouldn't do.